How to run enrollment reports. To review your enrollment details or forecast future enrollments in ChildFriendly, head over to the Report section on the left and select Enrollment Reports. You'll find a variety of viewing options, starting with the commonly used Roster Details report. Enter your desired date range to filter for children who have an active registration status during that period. From here, you can select a specific group or leave these fields blank to view everyone. You can also filter by a specific school and choose whether to include pending students who aren't on the waitlist. Click Apply to generate your report. This report provides comprehensive details about the applicable children for which you filtered, including the total number of children, dates of birth, and their current registration status as of today. You'll also see information tags, attendance days, age groups, program rates, and more within the selected date range. You can check registration end dates and modify which columns to display using the Settings toggle. Customize the view by hiding or reordering columns. If needed, download the report as a CSV file for further use. Next, let's check out the Group Summary Report. This report provides an overview of group enrollment, including pending children. Click Apply to see who will be present in your center, room capacities, the number of current and pending children, and daily averages. You can change to the License Summary Report if you would prefer to review your total enrollments by license type. In this demo, there is only a daycare license set up, but if other license types were set up, such as preschool or out-of-school care, they would also be included in this report. There is also the Drop-in Roster Report that shows all children that are marked as drop-ins. The Custom Questions Report shows the responses that were given by your families to each of the custom registration questions configured in your setup. The Changes Report shows all children that have changes in their registration records at some point in the period selected, such as a change in their assigned group or rate. The Starting Report shows all children with a new registration record during the period selected. The Ending Report shows all children with a registration record that ends during the period selected. These enrollment reports are helpful tools for managing your center's enrollment.